Hello, today is October 5th, 2021, and it's time for some new stock picks. We have three different sectors, all US stocks this month, which should make good investments for the next 3 months, 6 months, a year, and hopefully beyond. Before we do that, let's review the stock picks from this time last year. We had three stocks. Wipro, WIT, was up 78.1%. Johnson Outdoors, JOUT, up 22.9%. And Labrador Iron Ore Royalty Corp, LIF, 37.2% for an average of 46.1%, and that compared with the MSCI World Index in US dollars, which was up 24.3%. Now for this month, the top stock pick is going to be a financial services firm, an investment bank, Houlihan Lokey, symbol HLI. They're primarily engaged in the business of advising on mergers and acquisitions. They had a very good 2020 with the number of transactions they advised on exceeding that of big players like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and so on. And the mergers and acquisition business, I think, will continue to do well because the COVID lockdowns and restrictions have created a lot of special situations for a lot of businesses. So there is likely a continued backlog of possible deals for the next few years, and they're a leading firm in the U.S. Valuation is not great. It's a little expensive, but I think we're getting a good quality business here, so we have to pay a little bit more. So if the business continues to be as good as I think it will be, then I think we'll do well for the next 12 months and beyond. Next stock would be a healthcare company, Quest Diagnostics, symbol DGX. They are a leading independent provider of diagnostic testing information and services in the US, labs and the like. This is a more stable business, always in demand, and the question is, are we getting it at a good price? And I think the price to enter Quest stock right now is reasonable, so it should make for a decent investment going forward. The average return on equity for this company is about 15%, and it pays a little bit of a dividend. So I expect a kind of a long-term return in the low double digits to maybe even as much as mid double digits for this stock from this price, entering at this price. And the last pick that I have for today is a Canadian Alberta energy company, Tourmaline Oil Corp, symbol TOU. It's actually a mostly natural gas company. And I think with, again, the disruptions from last year in the supply of natural gas and oil due to lockdowns and so on, and especially due to the severe underinvestment in the sector due to the very low oil prices last year, may result in shortages of both oil and natural gas this year, especially if we have a cold winter in the northeast of the United States and Canada. So there could be a little bit of a weather play here too. Cold weather, the stock will do really well. Warm winter probably not so well, but the risk return potential is favorable, I believe, even at elevated prices, because the stock has done well so far this year. So if you have any questions on whether these stocks fit in your hopefully already well diversified portfolio, please give us a call. Thank you.